Actually, your next topic, solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula. It comes from completing the square. So I want to show you something. $47, but now you just need to pay attention. What I want to write is not inside your workbook. Hello, Kailin. I got upload. Okay. Imagine. Hello, for sure. Okay. If I have this quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay? If now, so far I have only learned completing the square, am I able to use completing the square to solve this? I want to complete the square. So far, all the equations that I have seen, I must arrange it. X squared plus some x plus some number equals to 0. So it is always 1x squared. Okay? So if I only know completing the square, I want to use completing the square, I want to make my x squared equals to 1. Then I must divide everything in this equation by a. Because ax squared divided by a, I will have 1x squared. Bx divided by a, I will have bx over a. Then my c will also divide by a. Now, I can use my completing the square already. Okay, I have x squared, I have a number of x, I have a number. I can complete the square. Then complete the square, remember I always tell you, you only need to follow the same step. Always is this number divided by 2 I put here. So b over a I divide by 2 become b over 2a square. Then because I created this extra b over 2a, I must minus away whatever number I put there square. Then my c over a is still here. This is exactly the completing the square that I told you. Correct, where the number go where. Then I want to solve for x. Finally, I will keep my bracket on the left. I will leave whatever number I have. This number go to the right. So when this number go to the right, I will have b over 2a square minus c over a. Okay? Now everything on the right is just number. So if I'm trying to complete the square, let me go and simplify this. I will have b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. Okay? 47, but it is not inside your workbook. C over a, sorry. 47, but it's not what I'm writing is not inside your workbook. I am trying to complete the square and solve for ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay? Then, fraction minus fraction, I can make common denominator, put them together. Okay? After my bracket is on one side, Chloe, why are you looking at your PLD? Look here, look here. Okay? Now all my number is on the right. My bracket is being squared. Hello, hello. Then I finally want only x, so I take square root. When I take square root, I am left with this on the left. When I take square root, I will have plus and minus b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Okay? Then, finally, I will want to know x. Then when I square root this fraction, I square root the top, I also square root the bottom, and I will get back common denominator put together okay? Okay. Hello, hello. So if you all have been paying attention, I told you completing the square we always follow a fixed step. So since we always follow a fixed step, the fixed step will end up like that. So end up, actually we don't need to remember the steps anymore. I just need to remember this formula, and then every time I put my values of A, B, C inside this formula, I can solve my quadratic equation already. Yes. This, what I did here is not tested, but you need to know this formula. Okay? Yes, this one need to memorize. You need to memorize this last step, but it's very easy to memorize. Later I show you how. Okay? So because your quadratic completing the square is a fixed steps, then your fixed steps will always give you the same solution like that. So after we know this, we no longer need to remember the fixed steps. Okay? So I show you how we are going to apply. We are going to go to practice 2.3. Hello. Okay, so we go to practice 2.3. Page 51. How we apply this is, they ask us to use quadratic formula. So what is the quadratic formula? The quadratic formula is the formula from completing the square that I wrote just now. I will write it down again. X, the solution, will always be equals to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a.
Oh shit.
Okay? So whenever we have a quadratic equation, the solution is always equals to this. X is this. Hello, Zoe. Zoe, are you paying attention? Okay. So how do we use this formula? Given any quadratic equation, the next line that I will go and write down will be, I must identify what is A, what is B, what is C. So the definition of A, B, and C, hello. The definition of A, B, and C, 51. A is how many x squared you have. So if I only have x squared, means I go and write down my A is 1. B is how many x I have. So I have plus 4x, means I have 4x. So B is positive 4. C is the number that is behind. So C is negative 2. So every quadratic equation that I face, I can use quadratic formula. I can go and write down A is 1, B is 4, C is equals to negative 2. Then the solution of this equation, then I will go and write down X equals to negative B plus minus square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. Every question you will go and repeat and write this down. You write A, B, C, you write this down. Then after a few questions, you can remember already. This is a formula you have to remember. Okay? So follow my exact working. List down my A, B, C. Write down this formula. Then the next step is to do substitution. I know A is 1, I know B is 4, I know C is -2. Then from the formula, I go and do my substitution. X is still X, equal is still equal, negative is still negative, but I'm going to substitute B. So my B I replace with a bracket. All my substitution, remember, substitute with a bracket. Then what is B? B is 4. Then the plus minus, no change, still plus minus. Square root, no change. I want to square B. I want to square B. So I replace B with a bracket. All my substitution I replace with bracket. Then I square the bracket. This is very important. Okay, substituting with the bracket is very important. Then minus and 4 no change. I copy minus and 4. A I am substituting, so I substitute with a bracket. A is 1. C I am substituting, I substitute with a bracket. C is -2. Division no change. 2 no change. A I am substituting, I replace with a bracket. Once I do this substitution correctly, my X is this number already. All these are numbers. So once I write this down, I go and press this into my calculator. Okay? I press this exact same thing into my calculator, except my calculator don't have this symbol one. Plus or minus. So when I'm keying in calculator, I press the plus. Okay? So what I press into the calculator, you have to copy all the brackets, everything. So I press everything except this minus sign into my calculator. Okay? So I'm going to show you. I will first press the fraction button to make this whole fraction come out. Then numerator, I will key in negative bracket 4. Then I will press plus. Here I press plus. Then I press the square root sign. Then I will press a bracket, put the 4 inside. Then I press the square button. Then this one is minus, I press minus. 4, I press 4. Bracket, I press bracket. Then bracket, I press bracket. Then -2. Then I go to the denominator, I put 2, bracket 1. Okay? So I show you my calculator. Will look like this. Okay? So same one, when I press calculator, I also go and copy down everything. Then I go and press all these brackets. If I press all the bracket correctly, follow it closely, then my answer come out sure correct one. Okay? Then I press equal. When I press equal, my calculator will tell me one answer. 0.449897. Okay? So with this one, I will go and copy down this answer to my workbook. Hey, the girls at the back. All these steps you are going to follow exactly, you sure get correct. You all keep talking, don't listen. Then in the end, you tell me cannot do math difficult. You are choosing to make it very difficult. Okay? Then I will go and copy down what is shown on my calculator. I go and copy down this answer already, but I must have plus and minus. There are two answers. So on my calculator, I don't erase all these answers first. I press this back cursor. I press this back cursor. This one. Then I can go back to the equation or go back to the expression. Then I bring my cursor to this plus over here. I bring my cursor to this plus over here. Hello, hello. I bring the cursor to this plus. Then I delete away the plus, change it to minus. Then I press equal again, the other answer come out already. I don't need to rekey everything again. Okay? Then I press equal. It will tell me the other answer, negative 4.44944897. Okay? Then I just write all. Negative 4.44948. Then I will have my two answers. Okay? So the challenge here is identifying your ABC. The challenge here is identifying your ABC and doing the substitution correctly. If you are able to do these two things, then you just need to press your calculator correctly. You will get your two answers already. Okay? Then round off to 4 significant figures. So 4 significant figures, 0.4495 for SF. Or negative 4.449 for SF.
Jack, I got a question. When do you use plus and minus? Like the plus minus sign?
That was what I said just now. And then you don't want to listen. Now I have to answer you one person by one person. The formula is always with plus and minus.
No, I mean like the other in front one also got.
Where?
Then like all these.
Yeah lah. Whenever we take square root, there will be plus and minus. So this formula came from your completing the square, which was what I showed you. So this plus minus came from the same place, this. Because I take square root, so got plus and minus.
So whatever square root is plus and minus.
Yes. Okay? Okay. So for part B, if we are to do together, I must start with identifying my A, B, and C. When I look at this expression, A is how many x squared? So A is 1. B is how many x? So B is not 3, but minus 3. Okay? Your B is minus 3. And then your C is? Yes.
So then when I write 1 square.
I just told you A is the number of x squared. So I am finding whatever number that is in front of x squared. Now there is 1x squared, so I only write down the number. I don't write down the x squared, I don't write down the x. Okay? Purely the number. Without the x squared, without the x. Okay? After I identify my ABC, Next one is I will always go and write this down. X equals to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This one you all have to remember. That's why now every question, every part, you all go and write this down. You will write until you can remember it for life. I only remember this when I was in secondary school. Then until now I cannot remember, I cannot forget already. Because you practice enough, this one will be, you will remember. Sadly, this thing you have to remember lah. Okay, this question will show you why the bracket is very important. Negative of b, so I must copy the negative sign. I must replace with a bracket. Then b is negative 3, so I put my negative 3 inside. If you don't put your bracket, you may get the sign wrong here. Okay? Then plus minus square root. I am squaring b. So again, I must put b inside a bracket, then square. If I don't put bracket, you will get it wrong here also. Your calculator will give you wrong answer if you don't put bracket. Yes.
So how to get 4?
Minus 4ac is from the formula. So minus 4 is standard one. It is always minus 4.
So I don't know the formula.
No, you don't know the formula because you were not listening just now. Okay, c is minus 2. So all your substitution replace with bracket. Okay? Then when I am keying this into my calculator, I can try to key in the exact same thing, except here I key in plus first. Here I key in plus. Your calculator don't have plus or minus, so you key in plus here. Then your calculator will give you one answer. Okay? Go and try, key in your calculator. Megan, you still come here, waste your time here. No. Your b is not 3. Your b is minus 3. So I say already, write down. Write down. Don't miss out this step. Just go and write down. A is 1, B is negative 3, C is minus 2. Don't put all this using memory. Just write down. No, here. I will first write down A is 1, B is negative 3, C is negative 2. Then when I'm doing my substitution, I can see, I look at this, I replace with bracket, then I see, minus 3, then I put minus 3 inside. Minus 2, I put minus 2 inside. Then I don't need to be remembering. Hey! Yesterday, tired. No, yesterday a lot of things, today again a lot of things. Huh?
Just copy everything.
Except here. Except here, calculator, I put plus.
Then after that, I change minus.
Yes. Then you will have your 2 answers. Where God? Where's your answer? Try. Press your calculator. Naeem, still sleeping. Yes. Wrong. Here is b squared. So I replace b then minus 3, b is minus 2, so I put the entire minus 3 inside. So minus 3. Okay, so if you press inside your calculator correctly, you copy correctly, you should have negative 0.56155. The other one is 3.56155. So if I write in 4 significant figure, okay, Ken? Uma, are you following? Naim, you are not following. Ashari also. Huh? You know how to do already, sure or not? Okay, for part C, same. Write down what is your A, what is your B, what is your C. A is 3. B is 2. C is negative 3. Then, formula. Negative B, go. B square minus 4AC over 2A. Then, substitution. Negative, no change. Substitution. 2, no change. Substitution. Then press calculator. Do I have to change your seats? What is the serious case? Huh?
Joy, you should stop recording. You can't record it.
Stop record. Because I'm substituting B. Done. Okay, I also need to press calculator. Huh? 0.54858 is it? Why am I wrong? Negative B plus 2 square minus 4 3. Okay. 0.720759 or change my plus to minus negative 1.38742. 4 significant. Oh. Okay, then.
This one right one. This one right. This one X place one.
Why you write X? Oh, one. B is negative 1. Correct, negative 1. Hello! What are you doing, Adam? Go and move your hand. Continue. Try to do the next few questions as well. Hey, all you all discussing your illegal things, people do until C and D already. Huh? Say what now? And why are you looking at your PLD? No. Come. I don't believe. I don't believe you. Pass me your PLD. Okay, part D. A is 1, B is negative 1, C is negative 5. Okay, math error for which question? Your A is wrong. See? Why you still don't want to follow what I say? Write down your what is your A, what is your B, what is your C. When you do your substitution, instead of A, you substitute B inside. So you write down, then you go and when you are substituting, you can see the number. Arisha, why are you still here? You must go back to your class. Oh, you recess ah? Oh. Recess also come for math eh. Sang Yao, can you learn from Arisha?
I still study computer, that's not even math. Just chemistry.
Oh, chemistry.
Hey, you can learn it for sure, you can learn it for sure.
Hey, why I have students outside distracting my students? Go lah, go shit lah. Huh?
After I'm done my work, can I go help you?
Huh?
I said they have WA after this, like 10:55. After I'm done my work, can I go help you?
Help them.
Yeah, like.
Oh. You got so good, man. Yes. No. Why? Why give you back? Huh? No. We finish this page, we have next page. Huh? Yeah? Just whistle lor. Wow, you have no childhood eh.
No, you sing, you suddenly sing, then I cannot think of what song is that. Our senior
Hey. Yes. Yes. Huh? Wait, Hey, why you all still here? Distracting my students.
Correct. Yeah, so that's I don't have to run now for significant figure. So you just
Okay, if you press correctly, it should be correct. 4 significant figure. So we count where is the first significant figure. 0 not counted. So the first number that
it's before the decimal point.
yeah, any 0 in front is all not significant. We don't care about them. So the first significant figure is when the first non-zero. So it starts with 4. 4 is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So we want to round off to 4, we must look at the fifth one. If the fifth one is 5 or bigger, here we need to round off. Go. Okay, so correct lor. Correct lor.
But then the answer is
4. No, this one wrong. 1 significant, 2, 3, 4. So we look at 4. Then this one we don't round down. So
the answer is just
okay. Why your answer so different from her answer? One of you wrong, one of you correct lah. Yeah, let me see. Yes. Correct. Correct. Negative b square minus 4ac. Negative. Correct. Okay. Your numbers looks correct. Then oh, your A is wrong. That's why. A is negative 2, not 2. Yeah, yours correct, hers wrong. Yes.
how do you do plus minus on here? Hey, I lost my thing.
Don't have plus minus sign one. So we do plus first. You copy this whole thing with this as plus. Yeah. Go back. Clear everything. Press the fraction first. Then copy exactly.
Where is
Square root. Then bracket. Then square. Just key plus. Which is what I was saying. Ah.
I got tuition,
Okay, you press equal. This will give you one answer. Then you press this cursor back.
I never write the answer.
Okay. Then when you come here, you
How do you do that? Where's the answer go?
press equal. This one I haven't changed anything, so your answer is here. So you copy down one answer already. You press this cursor back. Go the plus, delete it, change to minus, then you can get the other answer. Then press equal. It will give you the other answer. Okay, go and teach Ruan. Why is your leg on the table? You were asking the plus minus. She know already. Ask her to go and teach you.
But then we copy the whole thing.
Copy 5 or 6 numbers. Then after that, round off to 4 significant figures. Wow! Wow! Should be correct. You got check the answer behind? Check lah. Maybe both wrong at the same time. Check the answer behind lah. Okay. Okay. Hey. Hello. Listen. Hey, some of you have been very fast. You solve all the questions in one. Yeah. So, I want to explain a bit question 2.
It's 2 over 5.
Okay, question 2. If you look at the expression, they never help you arrange. So before we can identify, hello. Hey, you're talking, I also talking, then become so loud, nobody can listen. Okay, so before we can continue, number 1, if we look at all the equations that we are solving, it is always arranged with x squared term, x term, then number term. So before we can start question 2, we must first arrange it. So my minus x squared go to the front. My 5x come middle. I must do this first step. Arrange x squared x number. Then I can start to identify. A is -1, B is 5, C is 1. Okay? I must make sure right side is 0, left hand side is x squared followed by x followed by numbers. Meaning for part B, I want this 2x squared to come over this side. Become minus 2x squared. Then put my minus x, then put my plus 4. Okay? Okay, those faster one, y'all can continue. Why you copy? Try lah, do yourself. Starting only. Try. Hey, see, other people do until question 2 already. It is not impossible. It's whether you are doing. Huh? Hey, you teach her already or not? The plus and minus? Huh? No.
Yeah, this one is negative.
Why you don't teach her? Make sure.
Never ask me.
Oh. I do well not enough. I must make sure my friend do badly. Ah.
This one is my double me, right?
Yes. Okay. Ruan, where's your calculator? Ah. Okay. So for example, when you see this, I want to key in this. Then I will key fraction first. So make sure there is a fraction. Then on top, I key in exactly. Minus, I put minus lor. Then bracket lor. Negative 1 bracket. So copy exactly. Then this plus minus, I will just press plus first. Then square root, I key square root. Then inside is bracket, then negative 1, then square. So I also press bracket, negative 1, bracket, then I press the square. Then it will look exactly the same. Then minus 4, bracket, 1, bracket, negative 5, bracket. Then like that, the numerator exactly the same already. Then I go to the denominator. 2 times 1. So press 2 times 1. Okay?
Sure, where is the minus here?
Okay, you press equal, it will give you one answer. This answer is for plus. So you will copy down 2.79128 already. Then I want the minus the,
Change to negative.
I go press this cursor.
Just like this the plus and then this the minus.
Yeah, so I press this cursor back until here. I press delete, then I press minus. Then I press equal again. I don't need to copy the entire thing again. So I will get one plus answer, one minus answer. Yeah. Why you all want to chase her back to Malaysia? So mean. Yeah lah, Malaysia buy anything also cheaper. Hey Adam, are you doing your work? Uma, if you can go and help Naim.
I'm doing it, I can do.
You can do? Wow. Change man. No paper. Just copy the question, then you can start doing already. Don't waste the time here. Then this one, why come here sleep? Here more comfortable than sleeping at home eh? Then you sleep now, then you go back, you got to study, you got to catch up. Then you might as well do now, you go home, can sleep more comfortably. Logan, do your work. Huh? Learning thing.
But not math lah.
Then math lesson, don't learn math. End of the day, what you want to do after you graduate from secondary school?
You want to become homeless man.
So what is your next step lah? Let's say just the next step. You plan to go ITE.
Yes.
Then take what course?
ITE 的合了 a bit 细的，
Huh?
合了 a bit 细的。
Got cigarette, that's what it's trying to say.
Then if you don't want to go through ITE, then you want to straight away go poly, you need to go through PFP.
Not straight away go NS.
Oh, you want to go NS. You want to go work already.
Oh shit.
With O levels, N level cert, actually not much things that you can do. You will think what you want to do.
Candy McDonald's.
Huh? Have you ever go and find out how much money they earning? What if they actually don't earn money? Then how you survive? Live on your parents. Huh? like 20 stars already this season.
Now you want play with me.
Huh? You carry me? I need you to carry me. Yeah. Yeah. No answer. Yes, because inside your square root is a negative number. So negative number cannot square root. So no solution.
Oh, so this one no answer.
Ah, no answer. Stay alone. You don't want to sit with Amira. Then sit alone lah. Amira, why she don't like to sit with you? Ah, then Five minute what? Okay, those who are doing part H, inside your square root got a negative number. So negative number cannot be square rooted. So there is no solution. 1H. Skip. No solution. No. Still need to do one more step. Why you take my laser pointer? You thief! Yeah.
So the answer for A is about 0.1925825.
I haven't do that. You too fast already.
Okay, sure.
You must first arrange x square, x and then number. Oh, yeah lor, why your answer early one?
This one, right? If the number after third SF is 0, then I need to take this number.
They want 4SF.
I know.
So you must go to 36602. So then after that you see whether your number wrong is it?
Wait, is a 1, is a...
I don't know, I haven't do. Maybe you are correct.
I am correct.
Okay.
Wait.
Hey, end already
Yes.
Okay, homework is to finish all these question 1 Why no time to do?
Right, right. It end with a 2, right?
36602. Then round off to 3660.
What?
4SF 1,
0 count,
2, 3, 4. Yes. 0 don't count when it is at the front. Okay. Homework do until question 1 part H. Make sure you are able to do. Okay, class 10.